Hello guys, a new mining coin for Telegram series coin. Don't miss, be careful, don't miss this coin like not coin and Ava coin. Also tap swap coin. All link will be inscription of all coins. For tap for not coin, it's ended. People who mine not coin will be notified in her Telegram about not coin and how to throw their mining of not coin. Don't miss this coin. The link will be inscription, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. Let's see how it's work. It's very simple. When you register, click in the link and register in the bot. It will look like that. You click in play now. You enter to the bot of mining of coin. I already have mined the coin like that. It's auto mining. For beginning, you click here. You will find choose exchange. You will have a hamster here. You can choose Binance. Like see, I choose Binance. There is bybit, ox, binx. These are wallet. Choose your wallet that you use. After that, you return to this home page. You can mine by clicking. Use auto clicker. For this one here, I have 30,500 coins to mine every time, and it will be recharged every time like that. You mine like that. Also, it mine by itself. How is that? It's simple. You go to mine. There is here a large option to buy mining coins, like you see. When you buy mining coins from here, you will get your profit every hour here. For every mining here, it will add your coin profit per hour mining will be added here. Like you see, I will buy 1,600 for 48,000k. I will buy now. Like you see, when I buy, it will increase my profit per every hour like that. I will buy this one too. I will buy this one too. I will buy this one. There is market also here. It's the same of the PR. Here legal to be you must invite friend. Here our team. Here also you will find the mining option to increase your profit mining every hour. Here there is friends invite. When you invite here like we see, I already do these jobs. You do these simple jobs and get free coins. For get a mining option here and get coins every hour. For the first, you must mine some coins. You use auto clicker, and every time take between session and session 10 minutes to recharge your coins here, like you see, and mine coins here. After that, you can buy here mining option of profit every hour, and you can let your mining start automatically. For my account, I have a profit every hour 13,000 every hour. I will earn 13,000. Like we see, when you click here, you will boost your profit. How to boost is by doing this action. Every action have a price of coins. You can also mine here. You can click here boost, like we see here in boost. Here in boost, after collecting coins here, you go to boost. You can buy multi-tap every time you buy multi-tap. Here energy limit. What's mean energy limit? For every level you get 500 coins. It means this energy level. Every time you increase your boost mining, you get 500 added, this one. That's all. You accumulate your coins. For the first, you must maximize your earning in profit every hour, like I shown below. Don't miss this coin too. The link will be in description. Don't forget subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.